Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, Dream Team, one team. We have man like
Squid in the building.
Squid in the building. Guys, you must be still wondering where's Kino? You know they've been trying to figure out where Kino gone.
Yeah, what part of the globe he is?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
You think they will catch on once they hear your accent?
Yeah, man. I mean, every Jamaican know this accent. This accent is unique.
Mm-hmm.
This accent goes well with Jamaican accent, so they must know the accent.
Yes. You know the accent? Tell me if you know the accent. You must know the accent. Just comment, man. You must know. Say yes, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. We're exploring. Spreading our wings. I know most of you guys look things like, oh, Kino gone to Africa. You gone to Caribbean, Africa with a cross the sea, so we're here, and like this place is something else, it's really something else. We're surrounded by a lot of hills, so it's like we're in the valley.
Very much
in the valley.
Yeah, man.
So guys, so right now we're deep down in the valley, and we're there with our artists as well too, top artists here in Trinidad, Trinidad. Them call them Trinidad.
Yeah, man. Once they see the link, they know it's Trinidad.
Yeah. Trinidad.
Trinidad we rep. Trinidad we from. Trinidad we stay. Big up Jamaica every day.
Every day. So as you can see, guys, we're here in Trinidad. I may say it's a great friend of mine for a longer while. And finally now we made this link up. Now it's happening. And as you can see, this is his face. I'll show you some more going on here. So he's ripping the brand. So
Jamaican brand.
Yeah, so he's the ambassador for Magnum Tonic Wine. As you can see, for Campari and Magnum, right?
Yeah, man.
Yes. So he's the Magnum Tonic Wine and the Campari ambassador. You see the boss? Take charge. So he's taking charge. Show them what we're rolling with. Show them what's packing. Show them what's packing. So them see the bus, them think it's a carrier van, Just look what's going on.
Yes, now hold on. Let me turn this on.
Look what's going on, guys. Look at this. Just look at this. It's a whole system itself. Yes, man. So we're here now in Trinidad. Yes, Trinidad. We're in Trinidad. Trinidad. That's where we are, guys. That's where we are. Remember, welcome to Keen Life in Jamaica. And please put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. You know, don't forget. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. You know, so we're here. This is it. Carnival. Wow. They're blowing a carnival now. They're gonna be blown away when them see this. Speakers come to the roof, as I can see. Who remember Pimp My Ride? You used to watch that program called Pimp My Ride?
Pimp My Ride, yeah, man.
That is it.
We pimp out the bus.
The bus is well pimped. Jeez. They say we're liming.
We liming in Trinidad, boy.
Yes. So normally we say party in, but no, we're liming.
Nah, we liming.
We're liming.
Don't know.
Is that the lime? No, it's not the lime. Oh, it's the lime then. Oh, it's the lemon. Avocado.
Everything, man.
Whoa, so we're liming. So all we need now is some sugar to get the lemonade, get the thing flavory, you know. So we're liming here in Trinidad. It's Squid. Give them your artist name, it's Squid.
Yeah, man, Squid. Squid the artist.
Yes.
I don't know. Hey, girl, I like.
Hey. So you got to hear more, you know. I'm saying the link for him is gonna be in the description, you know. I'm saying we're gonna show me around and we're gonna get to know the places, you know, bring some different looks to the eyes, you know, different and Keen Life in Jamaica's program. So you're getting something different for the eyes. I hope I'm not getting no copyright.
No, man.
No copyright, right?
No.
I know some of his music I will get copyright.
Killer thing safe.
Yeah, so it is safe, no copyright. So guys, so you see that's the fever right now. We're here, it's the fever. You know, I'm gonna show you guys. Huh? Yeah, giving them a tea. So is that going down, right? This is Pimp My Ride. Look at the box going down. Sure. Yeah. Bring it down. Alright, down. So guys, if you have a car and you want to get it pimp my ride style, right? You just Squid can pimp my ride.
Yeah, man.
Just like that. So this is what take it down, right?
And the up and down button, the hydraulics.
Just unique. Yeah, very unique. When them see this bus driving, they never know that inside is that loaded. It's fully, yeah, it's down. It's fully loaded. So guys, so let me show you this street. What's it like here? You know, we're surrounded by a lot of hills. We're literally in the valley. We're inside, as I can see, all the hills them and everything. You know, houses and the hills and everything. So it's like we are literally in the valley, you know. So I was gonna say we're taking on more journey and you will see it and everything, you know. So just stay tuned, you will see because we're in the valley. Look at this view. This is called Lookout. Wow.
This is the whole of Port of Spain.
You're looking at it right now. So this is the whole of this is the whole of Port of Spain.
Capital of Trinidad. The firewood. Yes, yes. got the tallest building in the Nicholas Towers.
That's the tallest building over there.
Twin Towers and the Nicholas Towers.
Oh, the Twin Towers.
More fireworks going on. See some more there. There's a party like.
Just like in Jamaica, you have some lookout. Wow. Wow. Just like in Jamaica, you have some lookout like this. Big fireworks.
Great. In the day is a whole different view.
Yeah. In the day.
But you see, everywhere is connected. So even where we just came from the hotel, we could have just drive up the street, drive like 10 minutes direction.
Yeah.
I would have bring us right here.
Okay.
But because we were going a different direction.
So we're right here. So where you call it right here?
This is Mova.
Mova.
Yeah. So this is Mova Lookout.
Yeah.
It's adjoining with Belmont, Port of Spain, Mova, everywhere connected. You know?
Okay.
So it's the heart of the city. They do yardie jerk there. So that is Trinidad and Jamaica.
Yardie jerk over here. So you do the yardie jerk. So you can come here. Is it only just because the carnival like always like this?
Always like this.
Always like this. Wow.
So you see the Jamaican.
So I want to go just get rice. Cause I come here and fish. Come here and fish, you know.
Yeah, fish already.
Yeah. They got rice. Hello.
I bring a Jamaican to the yardie jerk, but you don't eat meat. You want to just your rice or something.
You have rice?
A portion of rice is for 20 then.
We have rice and peas. Jamaican rice and peas. Yeah. Some rice. Blessed brother. Big up. So like a yeah, Jamaican too. I'm here the man say big up. See there? Big up my Jamaican brother here. I'm killing. So you know, so this is where everything is right. German. So for the eye from Kingston? Mobile. I was down there the other day as well, you know. Mobile. Trinidad, live. So you like it here in Trinidad?
Alright, you know?
Nice. I like him on the place, man. Look it up. Oh, but I got to change for the US.
You good with this, Alan?
We work with that.
Sure.
It's a baby site they give me though.
That's the only side I'm sorry.
How much is it?
20.
Wow. So this is the yardie jerk and barbecue. Yardie jerk. The yardie jerk. So I'm getting the yardie rice and peas. You know, I got some fish already at home, so try the rice and peas. So the rice is different from Jamaica, from the rice from Jamaica, right? And the brown rice is
Cook it with the peas.
yeah, because the brown rice is what we use in overseas.
So this is it.
That's alright. Thank you. Enjoy it.
We have bread as well, so to work.
I remember we were talking about some things there.
Yeah, so we'll never be tired. Yeah, man. So.
Right, you good?
Yeah. So yes, guys, so now some, so I got fish at home that I bring, so can put the fish on this. Bacon shark, like what, shark itself?
Yeah. That's a delicacy in Trinidad.
Shark.
Shark, yeah. Fry bake. You fry the bake, the flour, and you put the shark in it. You go to Uncle Sam in Maracas Beach. That's the most popular dish.
Wow. Shark.
You just know my music and don't know me.
So guys, so squid is a Squid is a big artist over here, well known as well too. This man is well known in this music over here. Get a picture with Squid. So guys, so Squid is an international Trini artist over here, you know. Rolling with Squid himself. So imagine shark. Hello. Shark. Her phone die.
She want to take it. She want to take it out with iPhone.
She phone and she has two phones. This one Samsung.
Oh, so basically, she want to take a picture with Squid, but her battery died.
It's now Friday.
So you have shark.
Yeah.
Real shark.
The wings Friday. I have to Friday.
What's it?
25
Shark. Is that the shark, yeah? Wow.
You want to try this? You want to try?
Shark. I never tried shark before.
You never tried shark before?
No. Guys, see that?
Yeah, man, it's just like normal
like
fish.
fish.
It's like fish?
It's fish. Try it, man.
Try it. All the video, let me try the shark. Guys, I'm gonna try shark. Shark is fish.
Yeah?
It's not chicken, so
Yeah, correct.
let me try the shark.
You don't know how to feel about it.
Yeah. It tastes like fillet fish.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Oh. I'm eating shark, guys.
You want any sauce on? No sauce. Yeah, man.
My first time trying shark.
Yo, you try that with the bacon thing and the sauces, tambran sauce and them thing. Brother, you will love it. Pineapple sauce. Yeah, you put cut of pineapples in it and thing. Yo, you will love it.
Guys, I'm just trying the shark. So you can't say I never tried shark before. Wow. My first time eating shark.
Yeah, man. Welcome to Trinidad.
Guys, my first time trying shark. Imagine that. And it tastes like fillet fish. No? It's like fillet. Tastes like fillet. I'm not even lying. Shark. Tastes like fillet.
Nice to see her.
Alright, intention. Wow. So here, so much thing, guys, you can check out here. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Yes. All right then. Yeah, look here.
So these here.
What are these? Yes, sir. Blessed, brother. Blessed. Oh, preservative.
So yeah.
Oh, it's peanuts.
So this is like cashew nuts mixed with sugar. Peanuts mixed with sugar. This is mango. Yeah, red mango.
It's like peanut cake.
Right, yeah.
In Jamaica.
Like
It's like the peanut cakes in Jamaica. Yeah, it is like it with the sugar where they make it.
you know, this is tambran ball.
Yeah, this is.
You know about tambran ball, right?
Yeah. We have that in Jamaica.
Kurma.
And this is
Kurma.
what's that?
It's an Indian cuisine.
Food. Banana. Wow. So this is like a market.
Yeah, we have a lot of these.
Yeah, same tumbling ball here and everything. This as well, to like in Jamaica.
Sugar cake.
Yeah, same thing, they make it different. And this is the carrot cake.
No, the sugar cake as well.
Sugar cake, different color.
Colors, yeah. A lot of things, man.
Mango. What's this? Plum. Guinea.
This is balata.
Balata.
You break it in half, there's a creamy meat in it. Very, very sweet.
This is Neesberry.
You know this?
Neesberry.
Right, we call this, what we call this in Trinidad?
In Jamaica we call this Neesberry.
What's the name of this in Trinidad? Sapadella.
Sapadella. Okay guys, so this is Sapadella. 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 Wow. Like a craft market. How you doing, man? It's like a craft market. That is Imagine squid make me eat the shark. Squid really make me taste the shark.
I know traveling is about, hey, go to different countries and you try different cuisines and food and culture.
Yeah. So imagine I try a shark for the first time. Over here you got the fish and fries. So could I get the fish and chips over here? Nightlife here in Trinidad. Wow. Blessed my brother. What is that? Chicken?
Chicken Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo there. On the spot.
On the spot. You gotta look at the sign.
Okay. So that is it. Midas touch. Midas touch. So you always move around at different locations?
Sometimes, it depends. Depends on the location and where I need to go.
Yeah.
But yeah, I could still turn, I could do venues and stuff.
Okay.
Ice creaming.
You can check me out on YouTube, Kino Life in Jamaica.
Kino?
Life in Jamaica. So you're gonna see this video as well too. I'm a YouTube vlogger. Yeah, from Jamaica.
All over the world.
Big up man. Big up. Big up. See.
Are you on Instagram as well or no?
Yeah. It's by the same name.
Consider it for me.
Put it on it's on YouTube, right?
YouTube or Instagram?
YouTube. Go on the YouTube. That looks lovely. What about the fish one? You know the fish Alfredo?
I think salmon. Pink salmon Alfredo.
Pink salmon Alfredo. You need to try everything.
Yeah.
Kino. Space there at the top. So let's pop right up.
Easy, man.
Find it easy.
This is subscribe,
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, let's select all. So you're good to see the Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah, nice man. So you come for the carnival?
Yeah, and get the experience of Trinidad, you know?
Good, man.
It's nice, man.
Yeah, when I come to Jamaica, you gotta show me where I can get some real escabeche.
Of course.
Some ackee, some bami, cocoa bread and them kind of thing, right?
You see all of that on my videos.
Real?
Of course. All of that, man. Yeah, man, that's super nice.
I didn't know I was passing here. I didn't know you used to do this.
7 years.
So listen, you know Alfredo is my thing. I'll come back. Definitely come back. My cousin and them love it.
Yes. I'll have to come back and try the fish Alfredo.
We'll come back tomorrow. You're working tomorrow? So after we done party, we'll come back.
Alright, that is it. Alright then, so guys, so that is it. Tasty Tobago. Tasty. Alright my general, big up, yeah? Big up.
Yes, sir.
Much love, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Alright. That is it. Pure fireworks. This view is lovely. Wow. Rasta man. Big up, big up. Woo. I hope these music don't give me copyright. Wow.
Normally, in the season, every time we have a big party or whatever, we plan the event for the fireworks. So that most likely what the event Japanese
Guys, Trinidad is nice, beautiful.
especially around this time, a lot of tourists
Come here.
a little extra, but up here it's naturally like this throughout the year.
Through the air,
Anytime
naturally.
you know, sometimes you go out with your spouse, you bring them here, they enjoy it because it's a nice scenic area, a lot of foods to try, a lot of different things to do, you know?
Yeah.
It's always secure, the police is always,
Yeah, always here. Wow.
very important that police is around.
Of course. Keep the place well secure and things.
Definitely.
Very nice. Guys, so it's a lovely experience, you know. Trinidad is really, really nice, you know, so really, really, really nice. I'm not even lying. There's the police here in Trinidad. The vehicle look like the Jamaican one as well too. Yeah. Yes guys, so stay tuned. Wow. Trinidad have some nice experience. Boy, the first time trying shark. You eating shark?
No.
Oh, you're not eating shark. Wings. The shark, it tastes like the fillet, you know? Yes guys, that shark, it really tastes like the fillet. I think I was eating some fillet fish. So imagine most of the fillet we're probably eating, not knowing it's probably shark meat.
Very true.
You know? That's true, you know. Most of the fillet meat I would be eating, like, it's probably shark meat. When you go and buy a fish fillet, what fish is it coming from? You know, so you never know, it probably coming from the same shark. You know, you never know. So we're all the way up in the hills. You know, we're up in the hills on the hilltop. Well, there's so much to see here in Trinidad, you know. So much to see here in Trinidad. Wow. And one thing in Trinidad as well too, you got lights on every street, everywhere, every street corner. And you got nice roads as well too, nice roads. That's one thing, and the street always clean, you know, the streets them clean. I have to give the props to your government for that. It's great, no joke. You know, I have to give the props. So guys, this is nightlife here in Trinidad. You know, so you're driving with me and Squid right now, showing you the view. Nightlife. They got really nice roads. I'm not even lying. They got some really, really nice roads. Very nice.
We have a pitch lake in Trinidad.
Yeah.
It's wonderful.
A pitch?
Pitch lake, yeah.
Pitch lake.
So, you know, it's expected that we have the roads. I mean, not all the roads are good, but most of the areas in the city.
Yeah.
Pitch lake. We distribute pitch to countries all over the world. Straight from here.
Okay. And did you know that Trinidad got one of the biggest roundabout in the world? The biggest roundabout in the world. Guy, what's the name of it again?
Queen's Park, Savannah.
Queen's Park, Savannah. So guys, it can
Trinidad is relatively a very small country,
yeah.
but it's very ironic that we have the biggest roundabout in the world.
Yeah, so you hear that? It's a very small country, but they got the biggest roundabout. Savannah. quite surprised how big it was. You know, it come like it almost take up almost the whole of Trinidad. But yeah, but guys, as you can see, they got really nice roads over here. You know, really nice roads.
So this is where I passed here because we passed through the hills.
Okay.
We were in Port of Spain, right?
Yeah.
I passed through the hills and we went on the lookout. You know, we're basically in the east. We start the start of the east. But we're not going up in the east, we're going back down to town. I just passed around Port of Spain because of the amount of traffic.
Yeah.
Because of the nightlife right now, especially with the carnivals.
Yeah. It's very busy as well here in Trinidad. You know, because of the carnivals. A lot of traffic everywhere. A lot of traffic. But tell you, what surprised me most is about the roads here, you know. You got a lot of nice roads. Even when you're going through the ghetto part, the roads them is very nice here with them. No potholes. There is no potholes like that.
Don't speak so fast, you might just you just might see some.
Alright, just might. But for now I haven't seen any. You know, and you have street lights everywhere. Everywhere you got street lights. So this is the drive that we're making now to head back down. Nightlife here in Trinidad. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this drive, you know, this night flex. You know, I just tried shark for the first time in my life. You know, I've been seeing shark eating us.
We eat them.
I know we're eating them. But I just had a small piece. It wasn't a big piece. I just had a small piece. You know, small piece of the shark. It wasn't a big piece. It was a small piece to have. You know, and I have to prepare my mind. You know, yeah, of course. My blood was running cold. Like, what are you going to eat? Shark? You know, I just have to try it just now. You know, so that's how it is. You know, in different country, you can have different experience of foods and them things. So.
And shark is quite popular in Trinidad.
It's popular in Trinidad, right?
And Tobago. Bacon shark is one of our dishes that everybody comes to try.
Bake. So they bake it. Bake it because bake?
No, bake like
a baked chicken.
No, like we fry the shark, but we eat it with bake. I don't know if you all know what's bake in Jamaica.
In Jamaica, we bake the chicken. We put the chicken in the oven.
Yeah, we do that too, but
tomato
it's
sauce.
like dough.
Oh,
Fry the dough.
Oh, okay.
It's like fried dough and then we cut it open and we put the shark in it.
Oh,
and then we put pineapples and tomatoes and lettuce and tamarind sauce, ketchup, garlic sauce.
Yeah. Okay. I see our bake in Jamaica is different. Like when you're gonna bake a chicken, you put it in the oven.
Yeah, we say that as well.
Yeah, so you put it in the oven with some ketchup, you know, over it. But they make the sauce for it.
You glaze it in ketchup.
Yes, you know. So that's how they bake chicken. But the bacon and shark is different. So I need to, guys, maybe think I should try that bacon shark. You know, cause I stick to my usual, you know, parrotfish.
Right.
You know,
yeah,
the snappers and then the thing that we used to the back time.
I'm quite sure in the comments, anybody who has been to Trinidad will tell you that they love the bacon shark.
So that means I have to try it then. It's still seafood.
You need to try doubles. Doubles is a next dish that a lot of people don't know about.
What's doubles?
It's like dough.
Dough, same way.
With chana. Cooked chana and seasoning and yeah, that's basically it. So it's like dough, like fried dough.
It's seafood. It's seafood, right?
No, it has no meat.
Oh, no meat
at all. It's just chana and seasoning and these kind of things in some dough.
Okay.
You fold it. It's something like a mini roti.
Okay, so it's pure vegetable inside of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All the cucumbers and so forth. Nice it is.
Yeah, might as well because I have to try the food thing. like especially seafood and the vegetables type dishes. So guys, so we jump back on the main road. So this is what the main road. So this is the Beatum Highway.
Yeah, where we are right now is one of the country's dump yards. Right inside it.
Oh, the dump yard.
Yeah.
They dump all the rubbish.
Yeah. Bury the rubbish and so forth.
Just like we have one in Jamaica as well, called it Riverton.
Right. So this is the Beatum Highway. That's the entrance for the dump yard over there. But we have quite a few. We have about 3 or 4 dump yards throughout the country.
Okay. So how far this highway can take you?
This highway takes you straight to Port of Spain that we're going now.
Yeah.
But it's on the outskirts of Port of Spain. So that's over there. Where you see those hills? There's Lavantil area.
Okay, the Lavantil.
The infamous Lavantil you always hear about.
The garrisons.
Yeah.
So over there, guys, we are seeing the hills. That's the garrisons. You know, so the garrisons, we call them live like them in Beverly Hills. Them living on the hills.
Yeah,
you know, so that's how it is, guys. So we on the highway. It's nice, man. The police on the right hand side. You know, the vehicles them look exactly like our police vehicles back home. You know, flashing lights.
If you take this flyover and you go right, and back, you end up in the heart of Port of Spain again.
Okay.
So we just made a whole circle around.
So that's the whole circle. Okay, so that's a circle make around Port of Spain.
Basically. But the main one.
It's the main one, right?
Yeah, this is the main one.
Very nice. It's a great experience for me, you know.
So if you remember when we were on the lookout, I was showing you some buildings.
That's the building, the Twin Tower.
Yeah, so we already reached.
This is the direction that we came from the airport, right?
Correct.
Yes. And that's the Twin Tower east. So guys, we have Twin Towers here in Trinidad. Just like how you have Twin Towers in the US, well, you have Twin Towers here in Trinidad. So we're going to show you the Twin Towers. See what the Twin Towers is like. It's not as tall as what's in the US, but it is the Twin Tower of Trinidad. It is the Twin Tower.
It's actually a picture of them on our money.
Oh yeah, it's on the money, right? Ah, nice.
The Twin Towers is actually Central Bank.
Okay. And the also have a clock. Dial half a 3 o'clock. So that is the Twin Tower that you're looking at up there.
This where we're coming up to on the left hand side is the ferry terminal. So you take the big boat, you can drive your car on the boat and go to Tobago.
Okay.
Which is
that here. Okay.
Just being ferry.
Yeah, that's a ferry terminal over there.
So you use there to go to Tobago.
Yes.
By boat.
So these Twin Tower. And that's the Parliament building right there, right?
Which one?
That one.
Yeah, correct.
So that's the Parliament
It's
building.
also Hyatt Regency Hotel.
Okay.
Next up.
Hyatt. So guys, imagine the Parliament building so high. And then we above our Parliament building flat.
No, man, I believe, I could be wrong, but I believe, because I've never been in the Parliament building,
Yeah.
but I believe they're downstairs, because sometimes they pass in and you see some of the ministers going in there, going
some of the
downstairs,
ministers,
but I don't know if they're going up when they go inside, but, you know, but you see the National Parliament.
Yeah. Some nice buildings.
Radisson Hotel.
Wow. So you have the Radisson Hotel as well to right here, you know. Right in here look like, why in here look like New York City, sir?
A lot of people say that.
Don't it? It really looks like New York City. Talk the truth, people. So who's watching from the United States? Does this remind you like you're in New York, right? Especially when you're in Manhattan side.
Mini New York.
This is mini New York. And the vehicles then look like some mini New York vehicles as well too. Manhattan. It's very, very nice. We like how Trinidad kind of set up, you know. For what I've seen so far, guys, it's not what I've watched on the YouTube. So you're seeing something different from Kino Third Eye right now. So we're showing you the upstate life of Trinidad, not too much of anything else, you know. So we're showing that what most eyes don't see.
Yes, it's not only you see through the videos, you know, people with like music videos, they want to show the struggles and so forth. So they project only the ghetto side and the ghetto life, and they make it happen like that. But you know, we have some pretty nice places as well.
Yeah. This is what we have to show, and that's it, you know.
And believe it or not, a lot of the places that we passed tonight is so-called the ghetto.
Okay. And the ghetto don't look like that struggling either.
No.
You know, it doesn't. Yes guys, so we're here on the avenue. This is what they call the avenue, you can see? So this is the avenue. Boy, Trinidad does look like, remind me of some foreign countries. So we have the foodie culture.
This is one of the places that most of the carnival bands pass here as well. That's why you see all the signs.
Oh, okay.
Everything, the streets are totally, you know. And there's always bars everywhere.
Everywhere. So this
Clubs, bars.
Wow. So this is the avenue.
Whatever your heart desires to eat, you can find it on the avenue.
Okay. Anything at all. So here, that's anything your heart desire to eat, you can find this here on the avenue. Wow. Very nice. You have a Subway. You know that's one of my special as well, to Subway. Love to get my veggie patty.
Yeah, so, you know, just like you see how those girls just there, they will come out the lime. So this is the club over here. They just come out and they walk around, because you know, you meet people, you have a drink, you walk some more, you go to a club, you come out. Because
there's so much clubs here, right? You even have a sushi place over there, say if you want sushi, you can get sushi, you know.
Anything.
So here is the live street. You come like the main street, like the West End. This is the West End. Very lively. We don't even have.
Give to somebody in this.
You can see there's lots of traffic here as well. Busy.
Yeah. And this is not just carnival. This is every weekend. Yeah.
Okay.
This is one of the many food courts we have now.
Yeah.
So you know, this place is selling different
food square.
Yeah.
So you get all different type of food here.
Definitely. Other joints, jug.
Food square. So imagine, say, this is not just only because the carnival at what it says, you know, it's always like this.
Yeah. The only difference with carnival, you would see these tents outdoor.
Okay, you see more tents.
Yeah, but when we don't have carnival,
it's like this.
It's like this, just without the tents.
This is the main street. Lively. All the time. Lively. It's gonna be very hard to find a park, Squid.
Yeah, we already passed the place. I'm gonna check somebody else, you know. And then as on our way home,
you have a smoke shop over here.
Yeah, we passed about 2 already.
Trinidad is something else. You know, Trinidad is something else. What a way to experience this.
Hey Siri, call Tia Marie.
Calling Tia Marie Dirty Medics. Mobile.
Good luck. So this is a long avenue though.
Yeah.
This avenue is very long. So we're driving down on this avenue, guys. It's very long. You know, it's pure. Definitely, this is the main street here. You find everything, you know, everything that you want as well too.
So some people on a weekend when they want to free up their mind, they don't even have to have a plan. They come on the dress, they come on the avenue, and definitely will find something to do.
Yeah. You just come walk the avenue.
Yeah, man. You park your car and you walk, you know.
You can see, cause walking is good, you know. And I noticed that your license plate it's not in white, it's in black.
Different. Well, a lot of Trinidadians don't know this, but black background and white letters.
Yeah.
Are for Trinidad. Are for Port of Spain. And then if you go to South, they will have white background with black. Okay. So it's a difference in the South. And we are in the East, you said? Yeah, right now we're in the West. We're in the West. So each is different. This person was searching for a car park. So when over there? No, we already passed our stops. Okay. So you see, we can't even done. The whole way done, it can't done too much. Yes, guys, so we have to turn off the road because as you can see, the avenue can't finish it. So many minutes to drive it.
1, 2, 3, go! Let me go! Everybody! Tuesday morning! 6 o'clock in the morning on each other!
We don't pick side, we beat from bad.
guys, this is the Juve morning. So it's early in the morning, it's like literally it's after 6 now, 6:15 now in the morning. This Juve starts from early in the morning. So this is the Juve band Candyland. That is it. We are Candyland. Squid. That is it. In the building. In the building. Squid is a real party animal, guys. I'm telling you. Guys, a big artist here in Trinidad said, "No, this man is a top performer as well." So also Magnum ambassador and Campari. Guys, the whole carnival is lit. Look on the ground, it's pure paint. Look at it, pure carnival paint and everything is on the ground. Everyone is painted up, but I'm not painted up as yet. Hey. All painted. Oh. Here in Trinidad it started from about 3 o'clock in the morning till at this time around 8 o'clock, but it's still going on same way, you know, but it continues same way. So later on is now is the carnival time, you know, this is the Juve man with the float and everything, that comes by and everyone walk with the flow. Just like nothing on the carnival, everyone walk with the flow. So the carnival now is in the evening where all the costumes come out and everything. You know, when all the costumes come out. You know, but I'm telling you, Trinidad is something else. You know, it is a vibe on its own. Wow. It's a vibe by itself. It's a vibe by itself. Trust me, because I haven't wake up for the longest time so early to come somewhere like this. I was up from about 4 in the morning just to come out, come meet the Juve. The place is beautiful as well, you know. Nice residential area. You know, this place is very nice. You know, Trinidad is highly developed, you know. It's highly developed from what I see, you know, because obviously when time you watch it on YouTube, they don't show you this part of Trinidad. So you know, I'm seeing a different part of Trinidad where it caught me by surprise. You know.
Hi guys. Hi. Hello.
So these are the bus. So each Juve got their own bus. Squid.
Yeah.
You're on here like a residential area?
Yeah, this is Woodbrook, St. Clair.
So residential area.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is the police station.
Police station over there.
Right there.
Okay. St. Clair police station.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Uptown Village.
The uptown.
St. Clair.
Mm-hmm.
Normally every police station in Trinidad is blue.
Oh.
This one is brown.
Oh, this one is brown.
Well, yeah.
It's a blue gate, but everything else is brown. So only the gate is blue, you know. So this is the St. Clair police station here in Trinidad. So this is a residential area, and trust me, this place is highly developed, you know. Caught me by surprise. A lot. I'm not even gonna lie, you know. And thing, police car going into the station and thing. Over here is very nice. It's a vibe.
Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.